good morning. Welcome back again. Kids, today we will continue with animal sound. So kids, all of you look here. C-A-T, cat. And cat make the sound meow. M-E-O-W, meow. Now look here again. D-O-G, dog. Dog makes sound bark. B-A-R-K. Now kids, look here. Cow. C-O-W. Cow make the sound moo. M-O-O, moo. Again, cow, moo. One more time, moo. M-O-O, moo. Now look here. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse sound nick. N-E-I-G-H. Again, horse, nick. N-E-I-G-H. Now kids, all of you get ready with your EVS copy. We will do some practice work there. Kids, all are ready with your EVS copy. So first you have to draw the margin. Then you have to write here CW and today's date. So date I will not write, you have to write by yourself. And the topic, sound of animals. So today we have learned the sound of cow and horse. So kids, you can take out the printout of this picture or you can take out from any old book or magazine and you have to paste like this, okay? If you don't have the picture right now, you can paste it afterwards, okay? So what is the sound of cow? Moose. C-O-W, cow, moose. M-O-O-S, moose. Now we will write it. C-O-W, cow. M-O-O-S, moose. Again. C-O-W, cow. M-O-O-S, moose. Again. C-O-W, cow. M-O-O-S, moose. Again, last time. C-O-W, cow. M-O-O-S, moose. Now we will write the spelling of horse and the sound of horse. So the sound of horse is nick. Nick. So we will write it the spelling H-O-R-S-E, horse. N-E-I-G-H-S. So kids, it's very easy to learn this spelling. All of you know the spelling of it? E-I-G-H-T. Yes? So instead of T, we have to put one S, and at the beginning only we have to put one N. N-E-I-G-H-S, nick. Again, we will write the spelling of horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. N-E-I-G-H-S, nick. Again, H-O-R-S-E, horse. N-E-I-G-H-S, nick. Again, H-O-R-S-E, horse. N-E-I-G-H-S. So kids, complete like this and submit me today between 6 to 7. Okay? Thank you so much kids for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed my class. See you again on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.